In this video, we'll guide you through 6 effective solutions to fix iPhone Quick Start when it's not working. Whether you're dealing with connectivity issues or system glitches, we've got the tips to get your data transferred smoothly. Let's dive in. Various reasons can cause Quick Start issues. iOS compatibility issues. Ensure both devices run iOS 11 or later, and stable internet. A stable internet connection is necessary. Device distance. Keep devices close to each other. Bluetooth or Wi-Fi not enabled. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. Devices out of power. Ensure both devices have sufficient battery. Bugs and errors. Unknown glitches may prevent Quick Start from working. To use Quick Start correctly, follow these steps. 1. Ensure iOS compatibility. Both iPhones must run iOS 11 or later. 2. Set up. Place the new iPhone next to the old one. The Quick Start screen will appear on the old iPhone. 3. Connect. Use your Apple ID and click Continue. 4. Animate. An animation will appear on the new iPhone. Align it with the old iPhone's viewfinder. 5. Passcode. Enter the old iPhone's passcode on the new one. 6. Transfer. Follow on-screen instructions to set up Face ID or Touch ID. Tap Continue to start the data transfer. Keep both devices close during the process. So, if you find out the iPhone Quick Start not working, here are some efficient solutions to help you solve it. Try them out one by one. Fix 1. Ensure both iPhones support Quick Start. Quick Start requires both devices to run iOS 11 or later. Steps. 1. Go to Settings General Software Update. 2. Tap Download and install if an update is available. Fix 2. Check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both iPhones. Quick Start needs Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled on both devices. Steps. 1. Open Settings on both iPhones. 2. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. Fix 3. Restart both iPhones. Restarting can resolve many temporary glitches. Steps. For iPhones with Face ID. 1. Press and hold the side button and a volume button. 2. Slide to power off, then turn it back on. For iPhones with the home button. 1. Press and hold the side button. 2. Slide to power off, then turn it back on. Fix 4. Change wired Lightning to USB cable. A faulty or incompatible cable might be the issue. Steps. 1. Ensure the USB cable is properly connected. 2. Try a different Lightning cable if the issue persists. Fix 5. Check iOS system. If the problem lies within the system, use a third-party repair tool. Steps. 1. Download and install a reputable iOS system recovery tool. 2. Follow the instructions to repair the system. Fix 6. Try Quick Start alternatives. If Quick Start fails, consider using Mobican Transfer for mobile. Steps. 1. Install Mobican Transfer for mobile on your computer. 2. Connect both iPhones via USB. 3. Select the data to transfer and start the process. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix issues with iPhone Quick Start effectively. If all else fails, Mobican Transfer for mobile offers a reliable alternative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.